Hello and welcome to the channel. I got 3 packages here today. Pretty sure I know what this one is. I have an inkling what that one is. I have no idea what this one is. Looks like this one was opened. Oh, it's not what I thought it was. Came fast though. My weight bag for a tripod I have coming. Okay. My power delivery 90-degree angle USB-C adapter. Okay, sweet. Now this. I just don't know what this is. Yes, it is exactly what I thought it was. Case for my mom's phone. Okay. Awesome. Alright, I'm glad this came. This will come in handy at some point. This is for my Steam Deck. For my Steam Deck. And then, this is for my tripod. Okay. Alright, well, I'm glad I got some stuff today. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one.